Welcome to Krabi. Look how sweaty I am. So we just did the Tiger Cave hike, which I'll play in a second. And then we got to the most confusing hotel ever, and we've just been walking around, going upstairs. Look at me. I look horrendous. But I want to show you our room before we get it super messy, because like that's gonna happen, let's be honest. Here is our room. Well, this is me. Toilet. I don't know where the shower is. Oh, shower's right there. And then we have a little dressing table. Bed is pretty cute. Aircon, obviously. And TV, which has Netflix, bro. We've got Netflix. Yeah. And then the balcony, it has this sick view. Wow. I just realised I filmed this entire room with my backpack still. I just haven't taken it out. Welcome to Krabi. It's about half an hour later since that last clip. We got to Krabi after Khao Sok, after the bamboo rafting, and then we went straight up to Tiger Cave viewpoint at Tiger Cave Temple. We did see monkeys on the way, which was quite cool, but I didn't film that. I actually didn't film much because it was absolutely exhausting. But here is that.
Super quick one if you're up and about. It's be really good for your bum, isn't it?
Welcome to the Tiger Cave Temple, just outside of Krabi. We're about to go up it. It's 1,260 steps, so I think everyone is like a little bit nervous. But I think it takes about 40 minutes, so we'll just see. We'll just see if we get up it. Oh, and there's monkeys, which I'm a bit scared about. Here we go. Are you excited? No. 608 steps up. Ah. What steps are we at?
800 and something. Was it? Yeah.
800 steps. We made it to the top. It was so horrible. It was awful.
And we still got to go down yet.
The down won't be as bad.
It won't be as bad, but...
I can't believe I cried when I got to the top. Yeah, and here it says 309 meters vertically, 600 meter path, 1,200 steps. We did it!
I'm going to say something else. You're almost there. Like around the bottom.
I think the question is, Beb, is it worth it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Worth it for the views. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I think it's worth it for the views, but it's also worth it because you feel like well sick after it. Like, yeah, I did that. You know? So then we checked into the room. I filmed that clip of the room tour with my bag still on. I was so exhausted. And now we have to leave like immediately. Obviously my hair's still wet, but like it's fine. The thing about these tours is it's so much fun, and there's literally, they do so much. You get way more done than if you were like solo traveling or just us traveling, I would say. Like they just have so much done, so many stops along the way. But you do not have long to get ready, and it's quite tiring. So just something to keep in mind. Anyway, we're going for dinner, and then I think we're going for drinks after that. So I'll see you there. Hey. Thai lanterns. This is my pesto pasta. I did not look at the price. I was too hungry. Ben has a salami pizza, but he's gone missing. And Louise, the vegetarian, also has a salami pizza. He has returned. We are at Thailandia. That's Leah. Come to Thailand for dinner. I don't look at any of the prices. I'm exhausted. I don't know. But let's see how this pasta is. Taste test. There's cheese on it as well. Pesto pasta, linguine. You get to pick the type of pasta.
I'm so happy.
I think it's
Oh yeah. That's pretty good.
Do it.
That's pretty good. From Krabi. We're a bit hungover today. We went out to, I think it's a place called Chang. Yeah, it was good. As you can tell, I lost my voice. I had too many cocktails, but it was actually really fun. Really good night. We went to bed about 3 though. We missed breakfast. We've missed breakfast literally every day on this trip. No, I made it once. Bella's missed it every day. Today we're gonna go to Railay Beach, and I don't know what we're gonna do in Railay Beach. I think it's a free beach day, so do whatever we want, but be beautiful. So, yeah. Quick outfit check before we leave. I got my bikini, which is matching for once, it's actually from JD Williams, which is so random, but they do good ones for the, you know, the girls. The skirt is actually Skort, and that is from Halara, my fave. Got my Tivas on, made my necklace myself, and then I've got the same TikTok shop earrings on. I think I look pretty cute. And I've got my classic Southeast Asia girly clip-in. Somebody wore his trainers to the beach. Welcome to Railay Beach. It is very nice. We got a long tail boat from Ao Nang to Railay Beach. It took about 10 minutes, and then we have walked for about 15 minutes to Phra Beach, which is here. And yeah, just been playing in the sea, getting some pictures, and making a little photo shoot. Really, really nice here. This is the cave in Phra Nang. Women come here if they're having trouble with fertility, and they pray to the cave, apparently. She isn't a god, she's Indian. She believes in phallus or lingam as a symbol of the god of Shiva. Nice. Loads of wooden things. This cave. Right next to the beach as well. We're at Railay Thai Cuisine. Okay, we're gonna get wood-fired pizza. It's 180 baht. And, oh, we're sharing this. some chippies. Not chippy chips. I'm not sure which one of these I want. Pineapple mango. But I don't want it to be too sweet. But I think mango. And that's 80 baht. This place is very cute. Everyone's sat on the floor. A margarita pizza. Very cultured of us. Yeah, pizza's okay. It needs more sauce. It's a bit dry. Chips are fine. Then how's your strawberry milkshake? Nice. And my milkshake's not come, so I don't know, they might have forgotten, but look how sick this is. The mango smoothie finally arrived. It's nice. So, back at the hotel now. We went in the pool for a little bit. The boat ride back from Railay to Ao Nang. Oh my god, trying to get off the boat. The boat just like wouldn't land on the beach. Well, if that makes sense, like it kept going, ooh. It was really bad. And when I was trying to get off, I was like on the boat and one of the planks was loose and the boat suddenly jerked back into the water and I fell through this plank which like went up. My foot got stuck under the other planks and I literally fell backwards, my legs up in the air like this. Oh, just on the floor of the boat. Anyway, we're now back. Bed's gone for a massage with the boys. Like I said, out at the pool. And I think we're going to go for Mexican tonight. I need to pack, like, this is the state of our room right now. And we leave at 9 tomorrow morning. It's currently like 5:30. I need to pack my backpack. I'll catch up with you when we get dinner. We're going to Manana Mexican. We're going for Mexican. Trying test.
You do sour cream.
We have
I heard you like extra
salsa,
like
sour cream, and
please, yeah.
I guess cheese dip. Cheese dip.
Also funny, my friend, my Canadian friend just texted me today.
Also warm.
So when she came to visit me, we went to this like little like British Canadian store and they had lobster and she's just like finally.
Which one? Pickled onion or the other?
Pickled onion.
Yeah, it's always
Quite
pickled.
spicy.
It's got
I like the salsa.
oh, the kettle chips.
Ben's beef burritos. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I appreciate the presentation. My vegetable quesadillas have arrived. They're good, and the guys are sharing nachos, and they look very, very, very good. The quesadillas are very good.
Exactly. Yeah.
Recommend. Roots Rock Reggae Bar. Roots Rock Reggae Bar. And on the menu, it says Diet Coke. So we're going to find out if it actually comes to diet. So I have a sneaky feeling I'm going to order diet. And they're going to give me Coke Zero. But we'll find out. Success. It's a real diet Coke.
Yeah.
The beer tower has arrived. Wait, so you actually pour it out? That's so cool. Go on then.